Okay guys, today I'm going to show you affiliate marketing method that many big marketers are using to promote their products. And this will be detailed step-by-step video, so make sure to watch entire video very carefully. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to choose our niche. And because we are talking about making money online, let's just say that I'm in affiliate marketing niche. So next thing we need to do, we need to write an ebook. And I know what you are thinking, well, I'm not good at writing ebooks, or English is not my native language. Luckily for us, we are living in AI age. So what you can do is, you can come here on ChatGPT, and here you can simply search for ebook, and then you can simply scroll here, and here you can find ebook one-click creator. Click here, and then here we need to give it a prompt. Here you need to choose a language. I will stick with the English language, and I will give it a prompt like this. Write me an ebook about affiliate marketing. Really simple, really easy. Press enter, and now ChatGPT will write an ebook for me about affiliate marketing. So in the meantime, when ChatGPT is writing this ebook, what we need to do, we actually need to make our ebook. Now for that, we are actually going to use Canva. So here on Canva, I will simply search for ebook template, okay? Ebook template. Click here, and what you can do is also you can click here on filters and then scroll here, and because I'm guessing that most of you are actually using free option on Canva, click here on free and click here on apply, and now Canva will give you only free templates, ebook templates that you can use. So let me just scroll through these to find one that is actually best for me. So let me just scroll through these ebooks. Okay, let's just say, for example, I wish to use this template here. I will simply click here and then click here on customize this template. And now I need to customize this template, okay? Here you can see this is the title. So I will simply go back here on ChatGPT and I will find title of my ebook. So let me just find the title. Okay, this is the title. So I will simply copy this, okay? Control C and go back here, and I will double click here and I'm going to paste that here. And actually I'm going to make this to be smaller. Let's just say, for example, 14. Now let's just make this a bit larger like this, okay? And now this is actually better. I don't need this, I will simply delete that. Here I will leave this, I will leave this image. You can change this image if you want. Simply come here on elements and you can search different images. For example, let's just say money, okay? Money, and press enter, and here you can find, when I click here on photos, you can find the related photos, money related photos. But like I said, I will stick with this image here. You need to change this, you need to change this, you need to replace this with your own link, but for now I will just delete this. So now when I have my cover image, what I need to do, I need to click here on add a page, because I need to add a new page, and this is black, and I will actually click here and then click here on white, and now this page is white. So what I need to do, I need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to copy introduction, okay? I need to copy introduction, Control C, go back here, and you need to click here on the left side on this T for text, and I will choose one of these. Let's just say, for example, I will use this one here, and I'm going to paste that here, and I'm going to move this here, and I can also make this smaller like this, okay? And now on center, and actually I am going to do this. And now this is introduction to my ebook, and actually I'm going to make this to be, let's just say, like this, okay? And I will make this to be a bit narrow, okay? And now it looks better, right? So now I need to add another page, and then I will go back here, and I need to add table of content. Every book or ebook must first have table of content, right? And I will simply go back here and simply click here, paste that here, and I actually need to move this here, and you need to edit this a bit, okay? So I will actually make this smaller. Let's just say, for example, 16. And you need to edit this, like I said. So here, chapter 3, I will move this here. Chapter 4 is okay. Chapter 5, I need to move here. Chapter 6, I need to move here. Chapter 7, chapter 8, chapter 9, okay, chapter 9, and chapter 10. I will move that here, and I will actually make this to be like this, okay? Let me just highlight everything, and I will make it like this, okay? And move it here and make it a bit narrow, okay? Like this. And okay, so now this actually looks like an ebook, right? So now I need to add my first chapter. So I will simply go back here, and here you can see they briefly described this first chapter. So I need to tell it to expand it a bit. And I can simply say something like this, okay? Expand chapter 1 in 150 words and press enter. And now ChatGPT will actually expand chapter 1. Now I said 150 words, but you can say 100 words, 50 words, 200, 500 words, depending how many words you want. And here you can see they expanded in 150 words. So I can simply come here and I can actually, so let me just go back here and I will simply copy chapter 1, okay? Copy chapter 1. And go back here and add a new page. And then I will add this, and this is chapter 1. And I will make this to be, let's just say, for example, 16, and I will move that here, okay? Something like this. And I need to go back on ChatGPT, and I need to copy this expanded text, okay? Control C, and I will actually double click here, move that here, and press enter and paste that here, okay? And this is chapter 1. Here you can see, and I can actually make this to be a bit smaller. This part here, I will just say make it 12, okay? And now this is smaller. And I can also add page 2, page 3, page 4, how many pages I need. And for every chapter, I can simply tell ChatGPT to expand that chapter in 150 words in this case. But you're probably wondering, well, how do I actually promote my affiliate product? Well, what we need to do first is we actually need to find our affiliate product. Now for that, I'm going to use Clickbank. So I'm here on Clickbank Marketplace, and because we are talking about affiliate marketing, in this case about Clickbank affiliate marketing, I need to click here on e-business and e-marketing, and then on affiliate marketing. And actually I'm going to sort this gravity high to low, and you need to research all of these products here in order to find the best one for you to promote. So let's just say I wish to promote this product here, a super affiliate system by John Crestani, okay? And when I click here, I can actually open his sales page to check out his sales page. Now sales page is really important. Here you can see he actually have a good sales page. And also what I need to do, so just close this, I need to actually open affiliate tools page just to see all the things that he's actually offering to us in order to help us, to help him to promote his product. Here you can see he actually has a good affiliate tools page. So like I say, let's just say I wish to promote this product here. So what I need to do, I actually need to go back here on Canva, and here I need to add my call to action. So what I need to do, I need to click here, okay, and I need to move that here on the bottom, and I will add my call to action. That is really important. You need to add your call to action. This is too big, so I will simply make this smaller. Let's just say, for example, okay, I will make it a bit bigger, okay, 14. And I will make this to be a bit narrow and move this on the center, okay? And also what I need to do, I need to make this to be italic, okay? And also what you can do is you can change the color of this text. So let's just say, for example, to be red, okay? And now you can see this is red because you wish your call to action to stand out, so people can easily see your call to action and not mistake it with other text on this ebook. That is really important. And now I need to go back here on Clickbank, and I need to click here on promote in order to get my Clickbank affiliate link. Now for this purpose, I will just use default and click here, create hoop link, okay? And this is my Clickbank affiliate link. I need to go back here on Canva, and I need to click here on this little chain here, and I need to paste my Clickbank affiliate link and press enter, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. So now when someone click here, it will be redirected to his sales page, and if they buy this product, I am going to earn an affiliate commission. And when we go back here, so let me just close this. Here you can see on average you can make up to $981 per sale because he actually have upsells and downsales. So even if you make just 2 sales, you can make almost $2,000, okay? That is how powerful this method is. So when I go back here, like I said, you need to go back on ChatGPT and you need to expand chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, 6, all the way chapter 10. And you need to add pages for all of those chapters. Now, what you can also do is you can add some graphics in the background. You can add some images in the background. Like I said, just click here on elements and you can choose different graphics. Here you can see graphics and you can add these graphics in the background, okay? You don't really need to do that. Now, after you finish everything, after you add all the call to actions and all the chapters, you need to click here on share and you need to click here on download. And here you need to choose PDF print, okay, because we need a PDF document. And then click here on download, okay, and now you will download this ebook on your desktop. Now next thing, here you can see how this actually looks. And just scroll here, here you can see table of content, and this is the link. When I click here, it will take me to the sales page, as you can see, of John Crestani's product. And if someone actually click here and attend to his webinar, free webinar, and buy this product, I can make up to $981 for that one sale. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go on Google Drive and we need to host our ebook. So let me just find, okay, Google Drive, and we need to upload that ebook on Google Drive. Just click here on new and click here on file upload. Sorry about that, file upload. And this is the ebook. Give it a few seconds to actually upload this. And this is actually ebook. So let me just click here. And as you can see, this is an ebook. Okay, so let me just close this. And now what you need to do, you need to, let me just scroll here. You need to click here on these three dots and you need to click here, get a link. And here, this is really important, where it says general access. You need to click here and you need to click here on anyone with the link. That is really important because otherwise nobody will be able to download this ebook. That is why we need to give permission everybody who actually click on this link to download this ebook. Okay, so now just click here on copy this link because we are actually going to need this link later. So all I have to do now is actually I need to paste that link here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we actually need to go back here on ChatGPT and we need to start creating Twitter tweets. Now let me just go here on Twitter, and this is the method that many big marketers are actually using. Now I'm here on one of my Twitter pages, and when you scroll here, you will see that some of these actually, here you can see, show the thread. This guy here, he will have 244,000 followers here on Twitter, and he uses threads very, very often. So when I click here, here you can see entire thread. Threads are getting lots of engagements on Twitter. Many people use it to promote their own products and also affiliate products. Look how many engagement each of these tweets actually got. And look at this. There is lots and lots of people who are actually commenting on this thread. And he is making a lots of sales. So that is exactly what you need to do. So, but you are probably thinking right now, well, I'm not good at writing tweets, right? It is not that easy. Don't worry, like I said, we can use ChatGPT. Just click here on new chat. And then here what you need to do, you need to simply click, search for Twitter. Okay, Twitter. And let me just scroll here. Twitter thread with one click. Just click here and now you can give prompt to ChatGPT to create you a Twitter thread. So I can say something like this, for example. Okay, something like this. Here you can see, give me 6-point Twitter thread about affiliate marketing with 6th point to be call to action to my ebook. That is really important because our ebook contains our affiliate link. Okay, and just press enter and now ChatGPT will write an entire Twitter thread for us. We don't have to do anything. Here you can see they are writing this thread. Okay. And here you can see how this looks, okay? And call to action, okay? So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this first thing, okay? And I need to go back here on Twitter and I need to click here, okay? And I need to paste that. But this is really, really important. You do not, I repeat, you do not want to click here on tweet. No, what you need to do, you need to click here on this plus because we wish to create a thread. Go back here on ChatGPT and I can copy 2nd point, okay? And I will add that here. And again, click here on this plus. And now go back on ChatGPT and I can copy 3rd point, okay? And paste that here. And you can do that again. Click here on this plus and add all 6. And then here I will add my call to action. Ready to start earning, okay? And ebook, okay? And I will paste that here. And also I need to add a link to my ebook, okay? So I will simply copy this link here, okay? And I'm going to paste that link. Now, if it is too long, if this tweet is too long, you don't have enough space, you can simply go on Bitly and shorten this link here to Google Documents. And all you have to do after that is just click here on tweet all. And you will make your thread. And like I said, many people are using threads on Twitter because the threads are getting lots of engagement and they are really powerful. Look at this. This guy here also created a thread, 254,000 followers. Many marketers, big marketers, using Twitter threads to promote their own products and also to promote their affiliate products. Here you can see there is lots and lots of people who are actually using threads. Look at this, again, thread. Many people are using threads, and that is exactly what you need to do. You need to start using Twitter threads to promote your affiliate products. And like I said, ChatGPT will give you threads. You can simply go here and you can create threads every day by using ChatGPT, and it will give you hashtags and everything. So you don't have to even bother with that, okay? And like I said, when you go back here, you can promote your Twitter threads. And also you can use Add Me Fast to promote that specific Twitter thread that contains your affiliate link. And also you can promote direct affiliate links. You don't have to create ebooks, but it is better if you actually create an ebook. And also what you need to do, you need to grow your Twitter profile. The more followers you have, the more engagement you will have. But like I said, threads by itself will get lots of engagement, and that will help you to get more followers organically. And in that case, you will start making more sales and you will start making more money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. And yes, you can apply the same method on Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, Share a Sale, or any other affiliate network. So like I said, this is the method that many big marketers are using to promote their Clickbank or Digistore24 affiliate products. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.